Hi everybody, welcome back. For you today, it is time for update number 3 of my Project Pan Mini Madness. So this project is being hosted by the wonderful ladies at the PANtastic Ladies Facebook page. So down below in that description box, I'm going to leave a link for you for the Facebook community group page for the PANtastic Ladies, as well as a document that will list all of the people who are participating. So you can click on that and then at your leisure, just go and check out, watch what all the other ladies are doing in this collab. So this is a rolling pan project. Start off with your 10 mini items, and as you use one, you roll a new one in. It's a ton of fun. I've been getting a lot of good use out of all these tiny little things that I always have floating around here. So it's been a lot of fun for me. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So down below in the description box, I'm going to leave a video link for the first 3 videos in the series. So that would be the intro, update 1, and update 2. That way you can see kind of the progress that I've made, where I'm at. But let's go ahead and get started. So first off, we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I still haven't marked this yet because I am right at the little silver line here. So we are definitely making some progress through this. Again, this is my ride or die of primers. Use this one all the time. Shouldn't be hard to get this accomplished by December. Next item that came in here, this is the Boscia. This is the exfoliating peel gel. I didn't get to use this one time in the month of March. I just forgot completely about it. And I had a lot going on that month. For those of you who don't know, I just came off of shoulder surgery. So I had a lot going on in the month of March. Didn't get a chance to use it, but still in here, we will get some use out of it. Next up, the Benefit Gimme Brow in shade number 5. I don't, again, know what sorcery is in this product. Either we're going to see the end of this, or July, it's just getting tossed and something else is getting thrown in. Next up is the Tarte Color Splash Hydrating Lipstick. This one is in the shade Set Sail. I did not mark these, but there is a lot. I've used it, again, a lot. I keep this one in my purse, so it's a really quick go-to my lips but better. I honestly, if I were to kind of judge how often I use this and how I kind of use this will probably only last about another month or 2, and then it will be done. We still have the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer, but if you can see that little black line here, we have only got just a few uses left. I want to say maybe 3. Maybe 3 uses left, and I am done with this one. The Hourglass Seamless Foundation Vanish Stick. I actually did use it one time. There is, quite a bit in here, at least a couple more uses for it. Also, we have the Sephora Gel Contour Eyeliner Pencil, waterproof, 12-hour, and this is in the shade Love Affair, which is a plum shade. Have not sharpened it since the last time I sharpened it. I am using it pretty often. I try to at least think about it. It's just, you don't need very much. It's very creamy. It's very smooth. And I just feel like I'm never going to see the end of this. Now moving on to things I have finished for the month. So excited. I finished 2, lost 1. So that's a whole story in itself. First thing up here I finished, this is the Tarte Ready Set Radiance Spray. I really did end up loving this. I really kind of like what it does. And the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I had to cut the bottom off of it because I couldn't squeeze it to get it out. Now, as for what I lost, that would be the Makeup Forever M10 liner. That's the name of the shade is M10. It's just black. I cannot find it anywhere. It disappeared. I don't know if it's rolled off into oblivion. I have quit trying to look for it. So we're just going to say that's done. So I just lost it. I don't know what to tell you. So, since I did finish up 2 products and lost 1, that means I do get to roll in 3 more. So here we go. So what I rolled in to replace the other liner, I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. I guess because I felt bad because I started with a liner, so I wanted to kind of finish with the liner. This is the Lancome Drama Liquid Pencil. This one is in the shade Noir Intense, which description is that it's kind of like a shimmery, but I don't see any shimmer in it whatsoever when I use it. I always have to have an eye cream in my lineup. So next on deck, this is the Caudalie Venusaurus. This is the Vine Active Energizing and Soothing Eye Cream. And I thought, why not a spray? Because I do have a lot of sprays. This one I just recently got, actually. This is the Kula SPF Organic Makeup Spray. And so that is it. That is everything for this month's Mini Madness Rolling Project Pan update. Once again, make sure you definitely open up that description box down below. Check out the PANtastic ladies group, as well as all of the other ladies that are participating in this collaboration. I, of course, want to thank you so much for spending a little bit of your time with me today. Truly, truly does mean a lot to me. Make sure, of course, though, that before you leave that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.